again. It's the Millbay Quarries, the first heat of the Millbay Quarries Pace. And Rise and Rise Again is the ruling favourite. We're running 1,760 metres. We'll come to the judge in complete two, set, ready. There's the light, and they're on their way this time. And Rise and Rise Again was out quick with Master McGregor. Out wide, Hunter Victoria's crossing over from out in five and going up to sit on the outside of the leader. Lombo Hallmark's positioned in behind the leader, and they're followed by Major Kiwi. The next one then was Dark Blue Sapphire from Ruby Michelle, and getting back to the tail was Short and Speedy. So they've worked down the back towards the lap and three-quarter marker, and the lead time was 10.7. Rise and Rise Again's clear. Hunter Victoria's running second on the outside, and Lombo Hallmark's third the inner. They were followed then by Master McGregor racing in the 1-1. Major Kiwi's three back along the pegs. Here's Dark Blue Sapphire starting to whip up around the outside of them and take closer order as they come inside the 1200. Next was Major Kiwi, Ruby Michelle, and Short and Speedy's last of the 8. They leave the 1,000 astern and come up to judge the climb the hill for the second last time. And on the inside, Rise and Rise Again. Dark Blue Sapphire striding forward out 3 bikes wide will get in closer. They were followed then by Hunter Victoria and Lombo Hallmark. The next one was Master McGregor on the inside, Major Kiwi. Further back behind them, Ruby Michelle, and last of all was Short and Speedy. First quarter was 31.4, second quarter was 30.1, and heading to the back by the 700 metres, Rise and Rise Again. Dark Blue Sapphire's running second, and on the inside, Lombo Hallmark's third. They were followed then by Hunter Victoria. Over on the inside, Major Kiwi. Next was Master McGregor. He's out 3 bikes wide, but he's under punishment and going forward. Further back then came Short and Speedy, and Ruby Michelle last of all. Later though, as they come inside the 300, on the inside, Rise and Rise Again. Dark Blue Sapphire's threatening danger. Lombo Hallmark behind the leader. Hunter Victoria's out wider, running on with Master McGregor. They're homeward bound, and Rise Again's first for home. On the outside, Dark Blue Sapphire's trying hard. Lombo Hallmark back along the inside, and then Master McGregor is getting tired. Rise and Rise Again, but he hangs on to win. Rise and Rise Again first, very tight second. Either Lombo Hallmark or on the outside, Dark Blue Sapphire. Next, Major Kiwi, then Master McGregor. Hunter Victoria was next in from Short and Speedy, and Ruby Michelle finished at the tail of the field.